Welcome to our in-depth review of the H10 Timanfaya Palace, a luxurious adults-only retreat nestled in the charming fishing town of Playa Blanca, Lanzarote. This upscale hotel offers a sophisticated atmosphere with a unique blend of Hispanic-Arab design elements, promising a relaxing and exclusive experience for guests aged 18 and above. So, let's dive in and explore what makes this Canary Islands gem so special. Let's start with the accommodations, shall we? The H10 Timanfaya Palace offers a range of room options to suit different preferences and budgets. The standard rooms are spacious, measuring approximately 28 square meters, which is about 301 square feet for our American friends. These rooms come equipped with balconies or terraces, perfect for soaking in the warm Lanzarote sun or enjoying a nightcap under the stars. But if you're looking to treat yourself, the privileged rooms are where it's at. These upgraded accommodations offer superior amenities and services, including access to private areas and personalized attention. It's like having your own VIP pass to hotel heaven. All rooms at the H10 Timanfaya Palace come with a host of modern amenities to ensure a comfortable stay. You'll find laptop-compatible safes because, let's face it, we all need a secure spot for our devices in this digital age. Air conditioning is a given, which is a blessing during those warm Canary Island days. And for all you social media addicts out there, fear not. Free Wi-Fi is available throughout the hotel. The rooms also feature eco-friendly toiletries, so you can pamper yourself with a clear conscience. While specific view types aren't detailed for all rooms, given the hotel's location near the sea, it's safe to say you'll likely be treated to some pretty spectacular vistas. Now let's talk about food because, let's be honest, that's one of the best parts of any vacation. The H10 Timanfaya Palace doesn't disappoint in the culinary department. The main restaurant, La Bocaina, offers a buffet-style dining experience with live cooking stations. Picture this. You're watching a skilled chef whip up your favorite dish right before your eyes, the aromas wafting through the air, making your mouth water. It's like dinner and a show all rolled into one. The buffet offers a variety of flavors to suit all palates, so whether you're a picky eater or an adventurous foodie, you're sure to find something to tickle your taste buds. For those looking for a more intimate dining experience, the Kasbah restaurant is a must-try. This a la carte eatery combines Mediterranean and Arabic cuisine, creating a unique fusion that's sure to tantalize your taste buds. Imagine savoring dishes that blend the fresh, vibrant flavors of the Mediterranean with the exotic spices of Arabic cuisine. It's a culinary journey that'll transport your senses without ever leaving the hotel. And let's not forget about the drinks. Coffee lovers will find their happy place at Mike's Coffee, a cafe that serves up aromatic brews to kickstart your day or provide that much-needed afternoon pick-me-up. For those who prefer their drinks with a bit more kick, the Poolside bar is the place to be. Sip on refreshing cocktails or ice-cold beers while lounging by the pool. Now that's what we call vacation mode. Speaking of pools, the H10 Timanfaya Palace has got you covered in the aquatic department. The hotel boasts 2 outdoor pools, perfect for those sun-soaked days when all you want to do is float around and work on your tan. And for those rare cooler days, or if you're just in the mood for an indoor swim, there's also a heated indoor pool. It's like having the best of both worlds. While we don't have specific details on the size and depth of these pools, we can assure you they're spacious enough for a proper swim or a game of Marco Polo. Just remember, it's an adults-only hotel, so maybe stick to more sophisticated pool games. One of the standout features is the outdoor jacuzzi. Imagine soaking in warm, bubbling water while gazing out at the beautiful Lanzarote landscape. It's the perfect spot to unwind after a day of exploring or to start your evening with a relaxing soak. The pool areas are equipped with sun loungers, so you can easily spend an entire day moving from pool to lounger and back again. Just don't forget your sunscreen. While the H10 Timanfaya Palace isn't directly on the beach, it's conveniently located near Playa Blanca, known for its stunning sandy beaches and picturesque coves. So if you're in the mood for some sand between your toes and sea salt in your hair, you're just a short stroll away from paradise. The hotel's proximity to these natural beauties means you can easily split your time between the pool and the beach, getting the best of both worlds. Now let's talk about activities because lounging by the pool is great, but sometimes you want a bit more action. The H10 Timanfaya Palace offers a range of activities to keep you entertained throughout your stay. Fitness enthusiasts will appreciate the on-site gym, where you can keep up with your workout routine or maybe start a new one. Hey, no judgment if that new routine only lasts for the duration of your vacation. For those looking to zen out, the hotel offers yoga and Pilates classes. Picture yourself in a downward dog pose with a Lanzarote sun warming your back. Sounds pretty blissful, right? If you're in the mood for some pampering, the hotel spa and wellness facilities have got you covered. While we don't have specific details on the types of treatments available, we do know that beauty treatments are on offer. So whether you're in the mood for a relaxing massage, a rejuvenating facial, or a mani-pedi to get those toes sandal ready, you're sure to find something to suit your needs. The spa area also includes a sauna, perfect for detoxing and relaxing those muscles after a day of activities. One of the unique aspects of the H10 Timanfaya Palace is its adults-only policy. This means you can enjoy a peaceful, sophisticated atmosphere without the pitter-patter of little feet or the splashing and screaming that often accompanies family pools. It's a haven for couples looking for a romantic getaway, groups of friends seeking a relaxing vacation, or solo travelers in need of some quiet me time. When it comes to entertainment, the H10 Timanfaya Palace doesn't disappoint. The hotel offers live music and theme nights, adding a touch of excitement to your evenings. Imagine sipping on a cocktail while listening to smooth jazz or participating in a lively theme party. It's the perfect way to cap off a day of relaxation and indulgence. Now, let's venture beyond the hotel walls and explore the surrounding area. The H10 Timanfaya Palace is located in Playa Blanca, a charming fishing town that offers more than just beautiful beaches. While we don't have specific details on nearby attractions, Lanzarote is known for its unique volcanic landscape, picturesque villages, and rich cultural heritage. You could spend your days exploring local markets, visiting art galleries, or taking a trip to Timanfaya National Park to witness the island's dramatic volcanic scenery. And let's not forget about the local cuisine. Fresh seafood is a must-try when you're staying in a fishing town. So, what's the overall verdict on the H10 Timanfaya Palace? Based on guest reviews, it seems this hotel is hitting all the right notes. With an impressive 4.5 rating on TripAdvisor based on over 9,000 reviews, it's clear that many guests leave with smiles on their faces and relaxation in their bones. The hotel scores particularly high on location, cleanliness, and service, with many guests praising the staff's attentiveness and the hotel's immaculate condition. One of the standout features that guests consistently mention is the hotel's quiet and relaxing atmosphere. It seems the adults-only policy really does create a peaceful environment that allows guests to truly unwind. Many reviewers also rave about the comfort of the rooms and the quality of the food, so you can rest assured that your basic needs, and then some, will be well taken care of. But what really makes the H10 Timanfaya Palace stand out from the crowd? Well, there are a few things. First, there's the exclusive privilege service. If you opt for a privilege room, you'll get access to special areas and personalized attention, adding an extra layer of luxury to your stay. Then there's the hotel's design. The Hispanic-Arab elements create a unique aesthetic that sets it apart from your standard beach resort. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.